Hi, this video clip shows you how to create patterns easily and conveniently with SmartDesigner. First, go on to File and create new image. Select General Image among 4 types of mod and be sure to click on Full Colors to make your image clearer. With some images saved previously on image list, select one of the image that you want to put into your own pattern. If it is saved as PNG file without background, you can overlap images without background shown. See how these images are overlapped without background? Now select the window, and that is the motif that you're going to repeat for your pattern. When you click on Repeat button, it automatically repeats itself as you drag your mouse. You can adjust the way it is repeated from Toolbox as well. There are lots of ways to give variation to a pattern with even one motif, so it is very fun to do. You can always resize the pattern or change the direction of the pattern, and you can either make your pattern one by one yourself, or you could always drag the pattern for auto repeat. You can always change the color of the image you have used as well, so you can give lots of variation to your motif. Another way to make your pattern is by using auto repeat function. You first select the window, and that is where images of your motif are going to be placed. You click on this red squared icon and select one of the images, then it automatically shows how it is going to be repeated, like this. So the actual motif of what you have just created is this, but you know how it is going to be shown once it is repeated with the auto repeat function. An auto repeat function helps you to create the design even more in a random way. And it helps you to preview how your pattern is going to look like. Now, SmartDesigner also generates various kinds of pattern for you as well. Select one of the images from image list and click on Repeat Generator. Make sure you check at the toolbox on the right hand, and you can set up some details, and there you go. You will see so many cases that you could make with just one motif. These are all the cases that you could make with one motif that you have selected. You can always pull out the one that you like and then see how it is repeated. If you only have this cut part of the pattern which does not repeat smoothly, you can adjust it with Distort Image icon. By clicking it, it turns into editing mode like this. By selecting the repetitive part inside the image, it generates new motif for naturally connected pattern. Before it used to have a crack along each motif, but now it is naturally connected with simple adjustment. It is the same pattern but without any crack along the pattern, you will get your own pattern made, smooth and natural. See the difference? And specifically for stripes, plates, and diamonds, you can use pattern generator. Click on pattern generator icon with three stripes and choose which pattern you want to make and colors that you want to use. Now I selected the plate pattern, and then SmartDesigner shows you 1,000 different cases of color mixture, and you just have to select among them. You can pick and lock what you like and export the best one on the screen. I like this one the most. Make sure to click on check to export it, and you can save it on the image list for later use by clicking plus button at the bottom of image list over here. And you can see it is saved into the image list. You can also save other patterns for later use as well. Specifically for stripes, you can create with precise measurement. Click on this icon on the upper right hand and select colors that you want to use and type in the width of the color, and it generates the striped pattern with the width that you have written. So for example, if I select the colors and type in the width, and click on check button, there is a stripe pattern, and if you repeat it, you can see how it looks like. Of course, you can also save it at the image list for later use and modify it as you wish. So say you design the shirt from project mode. So I'll just simply pull up a design from the library, which will be explained in detail in project mode video clip. For now, I'll just simply pull up the sketched image for now. And once you have saved your patterns on image list, you can easily import them and apply it on your sketch. Remember this plaid fabric, the pattern that I have made just now? I can easily apply it to my sketch, and I can even edit it in an appropriate way. This is easier even once you try it, so do not hesitate to contact us for more information. Thank you for listening. This was the SmartDesigner staff team.